Welcome to Singapore, one of the world's most futuristic and beautiful travel destinations. A city where luxury skyscrapers, futuristic architecture, beautiful gardens, and incredible nightlife come together to create an unforgettable experience. This is Singapore. As the sun begins to set, the city slowly transforms into a glowing masterpiece. The skyline lights up, the streets become alive, and every corner of Singapore feels like a scene from the future. Our journey begins at the iconic Marina Bay Sands, one of the most famous luxury hotels in the world. Standing tall above the city, Marina Bay Sands has become the symbol of modern Singapore. The rooftop infinity pool, the breathtaking skyline views, and the stunning architecture attract millions of visitors from around the world every year. From here, you can witness one of the most incredible city views in Asia. At night, the reflection of the city lights on the water creates a magical atmosphere that feels almost unreal. Just nearby is another famous attraction, Gardens by the Bay. These futuristic super trees are one of the most unique attractions in the world. During the evening light show, the entire garden comes alive with music and colorful lights. Walking through this place feels like stepping into another world. Singapore is not only beautiful, it is also one of the cleanest and safest cities on Earth. The streets are spotless, public transportation is world-class, and everything feels incredibly organized. One of the best ways to explore the city is by walking around Marina Bay. Every direction offers something stunning to look at: luxury buildings, modern bridges, waterfront views, and impressive architecture. Singapore perfectly blends nature with technology. Even in the middle of a busy modern city, you can still find peaceful green spaces everywhere. Another world-famous destination is Changi Airport. But this is not just an airport. It feels more like a luxury destination itself. Inside Changi Airport, you can find the breathtaking indoor waterfall called the Rain Vortex, beautiful gardens, shopping areas, restaurants, and futuristic interiors that amaze travelers from around the world. Many people even consider Changi Airport one of the best airports on the planet. Singapore is also known for its incredible food culture. From luxury rooftop dining to famous street food markets, the city offers flavors from Chinese, Indian, Malay, and international cuisines. No matter where you go, there's always something delicious waiting to be discovered. As night falls, Singapore becomes even more magical. The skyline glows brighter, the streets shine with colorful lights, and the city feels full of energy and life. The famous light shows near Marina Bay Sands create one of the most cinematic travel experiences in the world. Whether you are visiting for luxury, adventure, photography, food, or relaxation, Singapore offers something unforgettable for every traveler. This city proves that the future of travel is already here. Singapore is more than just a destination. It's an experience. A place where modern innovation meets beauty, culture, and imagination. Thank you for exploring Singapore. Don't forget to subscribe for more cinematic travel videos and famous destinations from around the world. Until the next journey, keep exploring.